Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share about how to construct a Jetty pile. First of all, we are going to install four numbers of support pile as can be seen on the drawing. And after that, we're going to install a support beam. This beam we're going to install at the right level, the whole beam. Usually we're going to install this beam at the lowest height as possible. This is to reduce the lifting height of the pile during the driving or during the installation of the pile. And then we're going to install um, a guide wall on this support, and then after that we're going to install a pile to the provided space on the guide wall, and then we're going to adjust the slope of the pile. Then we drive to its final set. Or from the side view, first we install the support pile, followed by the support beam, uh, which is on the same level at a particular level during the lowest height. And then we install the guide wall on top of this support beam. And then we install the pile vertically to the place provided on the guide wall. After that, we adjust the pile to its racket position, which is also provided in the guide wall. And then we drive the pile to its final set. And then we cut the pile to cutoff level and install a rebar and cast the pile to fill up all the gap inside the pipe. All the same process will be repeated. Then after the first grid line, then we're going to shift the guide wall to the second grid line. The whole process repeated the same. First we install the pile vertically, and then we adjust to the slope provided on the guide wall. Then we drive to its final set as well. Then move to the next grid line. We saw the same. We shift the guide wall, and then we install the pile. We adjust to its racket position when they drive to its final set, and then moving to the next, we're going to shift the support pile and then also the guide wall every time we move to the next grid line. But in our case, as can be seen on the drawing, we're going to shift the support pile every time we move after we install two grid line of the pile, because we provided sufficient length of the support pile in our case. And also same, we adjust to the racket pile, and then we drive the pile to its final set. And moving towards the next grid line, we shift the support as well as the support pile and the support beam, and then we adjust to its final position and drive and move to the next grid line pile. We install the guide wall and also the pile vertically, and then adjust to the racket position and drive. And also moving the same to the next grid line. In our case, we need to adjust the jetty 45 degree towards the floating dock. That's why we shift the support pile as well as support beam 45 degree from the previous pile to provide the turning point for the equipment to access to the floating dock. And the same, we adjust the pile to a record position and drive to its final set. And then the next grid line also, we shift the guide wall and then install the pile vertically. And then we adjust record and then we drive to its final set. For our case, we need to provide support also for the ramp. That's why after everything, we are going to adjust the pile manually. This time around, we cannot use the guide wall because it's only one design, the position. That's why we're going to adjust it one by one to drive the pile to its final set. So thank you everybody for watching my video. Hopefully I can provide you with a real construction of this jetty according to this plan. And see you again in my next video. Thank you.